It is very unfortunate. I am using this opportunity to call on sons and daughters who still have some element of wisdom in them and who love Igbo land to get away from Nnamdi Kanu, because he is a doom. He is a disaster waiting to happen. It is only a fool. It is only a brainless animal consumed, a habitation of demons, will support the activities of Nnamdi Kanu. The whole Biafran war was fought with lies and propagandas. At the end of the day, we lost it all. We lost our people. We lost our property. We lost our sons and daughters that would have developed Igbo nation today. Many idiots in the north do not know the implication and the danger of what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. If not that the north, God is resting on their heart. By now, over 1 million Igbos in the north would have been killed. You are heartless to kill little children. Little Fulani boys. You slaughter them. You shot them dead. And you are telling me that this tribe is not under a curse. And you forgot there are over 10 million Igbos in the north. You forgot that 70% of the properties in Abuja belong to the Igbos. 75% of properties and investment in Lagos belong to the Igbos. If for anything happen, Igbo man will pay dearly for it. They will go back to square one if any of them survives it. If for anything, any problem happen, Igbo man will pay dearly for it. This idiot, this devil, this demon, do not consider the life of the Igbos in the north. Do not consider the properties and investment of the Igbos all over Nigeria. But some idiots, some animals are glorifying him. But I bet you, Nnamdi Kanu will pay with his own blood. He has caused much more sorrow in Igbo land. Look at the way. Any slice something, he will send men to go and kill. He killed Prophet Nwokoro. He has killed a lot of people. He sent this animal, this soulless, drug-infected sons of Igbo to go and kill Igbo people. I wept at the sight of Miracle, who joined police just 7 months ago. This young lady was cut short by the so-called Igbos. By his own brothers. Nnamdi Kanu, as long as heaven and earth remaineth, the shame and mephorage of Israel will bring you to absolute nothing. The sorrow and pain you have caused in Igbo land will be doubled upon your father's house. You will never see life. Your end shall be so sorrowful. The divinity of this nation will bring you to absolute nothing. Both you and those who are supporting your wickedness. Let them go and ask, make research. Anybody who have attempted to bring Nigeria down has always paid with his own life. You cannot break this nation, my dear. This is the divine light, the pillar of light that controls Africa. Is unbreakable. It's like Scotland trying to get out of Britain. It's not possible. These are pillars. These are spiritual pillars controlling all the seven pillars of the world. You can't break it. You can't destroy it. They don't burn you well. Just because you don't have spiritual sight